What's up everybody, today I'm going to be trying a new polygel kit using the lazy girl method, but first I'm going to show you how I take off the nails that I put on my last video. I started by taking off all the rhinestones and then I cut them as short as possible just so that it's not so much to remove, but making sure I'm not cutting my natural nail. Then I use the e-file to kind of like file them down a little bit just to make them a little bit thinner, because I did use a lot of polygel last time with the dual form, but I used this pure acetone and I soaked a cotton ball and then I wrapped the cotton ball inside some aluminum foil. Basically the same method that's used to remove gel nail polish or like acrylics and stuff like that. So you just soak the polygel in this for about 20 minutes and then the polygel will get soft and you'll just be able to kind of like peel it off. So I just used like the back of this little spatula tool and I just went ahead and peeled them off, and whenever I felt like it was like a little bit stiff still, then I just soaked that area again because I didn't want to just like rip it off of my nails. And I know it looks a little bit rough like in this way being sped up, but I did take my time. I was really gentle and I filed the nails and then I buffed them and then I washed my hands. This is the Biutee glow in the dark polygel kit that I got from Amazon for $24.99, and I'll leave a link for it in the description box. So the kit came with two different nail files, some nail forms, some dual forms. These are actually very different than the ones I used in my last video. These are not as curved as the ones I used from AliExpress. Spatula and a brush. Base coat and top coat. Slip solution. Manual. 7 polygel colors. These are on the smaller side, but it comes with 7, so you know, I think that's a pretty good deal. So we've got green, white, purple, orange, light pink, blue, and regular pink. I cured them for about 60 seconds under the lamp. And as you could see, it's a slight difference. And then this is how they look in the dark. Okay, so these are the full cover nails. I got these from AliExpress, and this is what I'll be using for the lazy girl method, which this method was actually created by this super dope nail tech. Her name is Biutee and her channel is really awesome. So what I'm doing here is just making some scratches in my nail so that the polygel can kind of have something to stick to. Then I'm filing the edge of the nail here just to make sure that it fits my fingernail perfectly. And then I'm going to make some scratches in the bottom here to make the polygels have something to stick to as well, because the full cover nail will be staying on and we want it to stay on for a long time. I got these little butterfly sequins from Amazon for about $3, and I put some base coat and then I'm putting some of the butterflies in there, and then I'm curing it so that they don't move around, and I'm just putting the polygel on top of it. I think this might have been better with some like clear polygel, but this kit didn't come with any clear, so I just used the pink and I thought it looked okay. And then on the next nail I did the purple color. I just tried to use as many of the colors as possible just so I can see how they all work. And with this one I used the light pink as a nude for the orange little French tip. And then for my pinky finger I used some silver butterflies, and then I put white polygel over it. Then I filed to take off the little point that comes on the nails and wipe them with an alcohol pad, base coat and top coat before I put on the rhinestones, and then I cure them under the lamp. Then I got these nail decals from Amazon as well, and these work kind of like a temporary tattoo where you take off the top plastic piece, you put it in water, and then it comes right off. But for the first one I used base coat and top coat, but this time I used just base coat. Then I put the butterfly on, and then I put the top coat on top of it, and that worked a little better. Then for the last step, some cuticle oil. And this is how they look when you turn off the light. They glow in the dark really bright and really pretty. I love doing this lazy girl method. It was so much easier. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.